Another strong storm is heading for the New York City metro area, and this one will bring the return of heavy rain, flooding, and strong wind gusts. Who is going to be hit and when? Let's break it down. Hi guys, I'm John with New York Metro Weather. Today is Monday, January 8th. Let's get right into it. You're looking at a storm system that is modeled to be in the central United States tonight. And into Tuesday morning, you're looking at vorticity, so basically just spin in the atmosphere. But you can tell pretty quickly and early on that this storm is very wound up as it moves into the central United States. It is going to draw up a lot of moisture and bring the potential for heavy rain and wind to the New York City metro area. Here's that moisture. So we're looking at precipitable water. This is basically just how much moisture the atmosphere can hold. And what we're looking at here is the percentage of normal. And I'll just tell you that these light blues that you see near the New York City metro and parts of the Northeast are 450% of normal. We have some values at 500% of normal in the New York City metro late Tuesday night. So needless to say, this storm is loaded with anomalous moisture. And if we back this up to a national view, the moisture from this system can be traced back to the Caribbean. That's where it's coming from here. This is a very strong and powerful storm. Lots of anomalous moisture coming towards our area. The other thing, though, is wind. And here's the model simulations for wind. Big southerly flow coming up towards the region. And wind gusts are expected to be quite impressive Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. It's not exactly clear how much of these strong winds will actually reach the surface, but just a couple hundred feet above our heads, we will have very strong winds of 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. So mixing down to the surface, we're probably looking at gusts to 40 or 50 miles an hour throughout the New York City metro, maybe even a little stronger on the coast. So this will be an intense storm in the area. And of course, in the addition to the potential for those strong winds will come heavy rainfall. Here's the simulated rain around 7 o'clock p.m. on Tuesday. It really ramps up after sunset. Torrential rain, periods of heavy rain into the overnight hours. Now, we have very saturated soils throughout the area. We have fresh snowpack in the interior. So we're expecting urban flooding, small stream flooding, and of course river flooding throughout the region with this heavy rain that will continue into the early morning hours of Wednesday before wrapping up right around sunset on Wednesday. Now, the Weather Prediction Center, they issue these outlooks that you'll see here, basically calling for the potential for excessive rainfall and flooding. And here's their outlook for Tuesday. This is a moderate risk, level 3 of 4, for the New York City metro area and parts of New Jersey, all the way up into the interior of Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and southeast New York down to the DC metro. So obviously a very impressive event, and the potential exists for heavy rain here as well as strong winds. That means the potential does exist for power outages throughout the area, especially along the coastal plain. So this is going to be an impactful storm. Here's the timing one more time. This comes in during the late afternoon hours on Tuesday. The rain really picks up after sunset, and we have heavy rain, flooding, and strong winds Tuesday night, clearing out by Wednesday morning with those gusty west winds behind the storm. The peak of this will probably be late Tuesday night into early Wednesday. So expect some travel delays, expect flooding, take it slow out there with the heavy rain and strong winds from this storm. We'll be with you the whole time tracking this storm system and tracking any power outages or impacts to travel. Stick right here with us and we'll break it down for you in the next day or so as this storm approaches. Thank you for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.